Talawan na dyan tani kotaan. Rachel is so scared. Rachel is scared. Scared of the water.
And I left them at the water at all.
No, no.
I left them at the water in the beach.
You are not scared? Because you are brave, right?
Rachel is scared. Scared cat.
This, show mommy your muscles. Julio, show mommy your muscles, Julio. Wow.
Oh, very good, Julia, no? Rachel is a scared cat.
Ikaw, anak. Show mommy your muscles.
In the water.
Jar. Show mamang, bis, show mamang. Are you a gecko?
I'm not scared.
Yeah.
I was like a underwater crocodile.
Oh, oh wow.
I was like an underwater crocodile.
Crocodile. Pang, tanawa si Julio, Pang. Mag-crocodile daw siya.
Right, ang isa.
Ang isa kay gecko. Gecko.
Gay siya.
Si gecko. Ayaw gecko.
Rachel is gay too.
Rachel is act like a gecko. Ah, you're not scared. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh.
What? Because... Ito daw? Because...
The water's not clean.
The water's not...
What Julio again? What? Water is a. Water is not a. Ano daw? Pag isa Excel, pag siya agit.
I was like underwater crocodile. There's nothing to be scared about.
No, 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 JR. No, 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 anak.
Alawan kayo. Garas kaon.
Asa na siya padulong?
Ayaw lang, nagtila dyan.
Jayaan mo lang siya, anak. Asa na siya adto?
I ate downstairs at the water.
Yes.
That's all.
Brave. Oh, you're brave? You're brave, right?
At the water.
You're brave, right?
I got out the water.
Yes.
At the circle. At the water circle.
Anto, di ba? Ini ka scared, ha? Lumusad ka lang. One.
Gani. Ay, wow. Ha? Gani. Oh no!
Isa ka oras pa.
May gani pang, wala init pang.
I'm scared.
Ay, babasa ko ba?
What's that? What's that?
Don't touch it, Julio. Don't hold it. Dirty.
Saan din siya?